Tired of project management chaos and development bottlenecks? Let's bridge the gap by integrating Asana and Jira for a supercharged workflow. First, within Asana, click on your profile icon in the top right corner, then select My Settings from the drop-down menu. Navigate to the Apps tab and search for Jira. Once you found the Jira integration, click the Connect button. You'll be prompted to authenticate with your Jira account. Grant the necessary permissions to allow Asana to communicate with Jira. This is crucial for the integration to function correctly. It might require administrator approval depending on your Jira setup. Now, it's time to map your Asana fields to the corresponding fields in Jira. This ensures that the right information transfers to the right places. Pay close attention to required fields. Next, set up automation rules. For example, automatically create a Jira issue whenever a task is marked complete in Asana, or when a specific tag is applied. This saves time and keeps everyone informed. And that's it. Your Asana and Jira are now connected. Enjoy streamlined workflows, seamless issue tracking, and better communication between your project management and development teams for advanced configurations and troubleshooting. Check out the Asana and Jira help documentation. Happy integrating!